Welcome to Mindful Pathways. Today, we're focusing on mindfulness practices that help balance your emotions. Find a comfortable place to sit, close your eyes, and let's begin. This session will guide you through techniques that can help you manage your emotional responses, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. Emotions are a natural part of life, but they can sometimes feel overwhelming. Mindfulness offers a powerful way to manage and balance your emotions, helping you respond to situations with clarity and calmness. In this session, we'll explore mindfulness techniques that will help you regulate your emotions, reduce stress, and enhance your mental health. These practices are simple yet effective and can be incorporated into your daily routine to promote emotional balance. Let's start with a grounding exercise. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting your body. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As you breathe, bring your attention to the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the sounds around you, and the rhythm of your breath. This grounding practice helps you connect with your body and the present moment, creating a solid foundation for emotional balance. Now, let's explore some mindfulness techniques for emotional balance. 1. Mindful breathing for emotional regulation. As you continue to breathe deeply, notice any emotions that arise, whether it's stress, anxiety, sadness, or joy. Simply observe these emotions without judgment. As you inhale, imagine breathing in calmness and clarity. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or emotional turbulence. This mindful breathing practice helps regulate emotions and brings a sense of peace. 2. Emotional body scan. Close your eyes and slowly scan your body from head to toe. Notice where you might be holding tension or stress. These areas often correspond with emotional states. As you identify these areas, breathe into them, and with each exhale, release the tension. This practice helps you become more aware of how emotions affect your body and how to release them. 3. Labeling emotions. When you experience strong emotions, it can be helpful to label them. For example, if you feel anxious, mentally say to yourself, "This is anxiety." If you feel happy, say, "This is happiness." By labeling your emotions, you create a sense of distance from them, which helps you observe them more objectively and reduces their intensity. 4. Visualization for emotional balance. Visualize yourself in a calm and peaceful place. A beach, a forest, or a quiet room. Imagine that the calmness of this place is filling your entire being, soothing any emotional turbulence. As you breathe, allow the peaceful energy of this place to balance your emotions and bring a sense of inner peace. 5. Compassionate self-talk. When emotions run high, it's important to treat yourself with kindness. Silently repeat these phrases. It's okay to feel this way. I am here for myself. I will get through this. Compassionate self-talk helps to soften the impact of difficult emotions and supports emotional healing. It's natural for emotions to fluctuate during meditation. If you find yourself getting overwhelmed or distracted, gently bring your attention back to your breath and the present moment. Remember, this practice is about observing and managing emotions, not controlling them. Be kind and patient with yourself as you explore these mindfulness techniques. Here's a simple exercise to practice emotional balance throughout your day. When you notice a strong emotion arising, pause and take 3 deep breaths. As you breathe, label the emotion and remind yourself that it's a temporary state. This practice helps you to respond to emotions with mindfulness rather than reacting impulsively. Consider keeping a journal to reflect on how these practices help you manage emotions over time. As we come to the end of this session, Take a few more deep breaths. Feel the emotional balance and peace you've cultivated. Remind yourself that you can return to these practices anytime you need to manage your emotions. Affirm to yourself, I am balanced, I am calm, I am in control of my emotions. These affirmations can help reinforce your mindfulness practice and keep you grounded throughout the day. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to carry this sense of emotional balance with you as you go about your day. If you found this meditation helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Mindful Pathways for more content like this. Stay mindful and emotionally balanced. Stay tuned for our next video on mindfulness practices. Until then, stay mindful and present. Don't forget to check out our other videos and resources for more ways to enhance your mindfulness practice and manage your emotions. See you next time.